night. We just came in off of our first day, which was sort of an abbreviated day fishing. This is our spacious guest accommodations here at the Waterfall Resort. Here's Capistrano. Not feeling so good. Caught a few. How many halibut you catch today?
Just one.
Just one?
One halibut.
I caught 3. Around about, what were they, like 15 pounds, you said?
Yeah, 15 to 20.
Catch them in like 200 feet of water. It takes you about 3 hours to get them up. It's not the most exciting thing you've ever done. Tomorrow, evidently, we're going far south. Let's see what we got here. Here's our spacious toilet. Shower accommodations. We're getting ready to go to dinner, but we're really just too tired. There's a little wet bar. Here's a nice little feature. The fruit basket. Gotta have a fruit basket.
Very nice to provide a fruit basket.
So now we're going to dinner. Tomorrow they say we're going real far south to catch the salmon. And basically it's what time? 5:57, which makes it 9:57 for us, so we're pretty freaking tired.
Very tired.
And what else? Nice little pictures. There's a hot tub here. I'm not going to be going in that.
Nah.
And there's that picture of the place. The whole resort. Oh, that's a pretty nice picture. You can see the whole thing. Evidently this place used to be a cannery. There's the it's one of the docks where the float planes are. That's the main lodge where you come in and they do all the fish cleaning. That right there is where all the guest cottages are. We are about right there in the middle on the top row. I don't know what all that crap is over there. We got to go at dinner tonight and get some Dramamine because Captain here is not exactly the skipper. He's seasick.
Good news, we'll only be on the boat for 10 hours tomorrow.
So, because he was looking a little green today, and I actually didn't feel so damn good myself. Alright, so I think this is all we've got for today. So we'll be, hopefully have this thing on the boat tomorrow and we'll get some pictures of them fish. Say good night, Cappy.
Good night.
I didn't want to bring my other glasses. They get all messed up and fucked up anyway. I don't have one of these things on me. I'm not trying to be cool, so cool, but if I am.
Big one! This is big.
Man. Fuck you, shit. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat.
That's a big ass fish.
Give it every.
Yeah!
Woo! I made mine! Woo! That's a salmon. Oh, this fish. That son of a bitch was so fucking hard.
Mark.
How's your arm feel now?
Oh my God, look at that thing.
I'm telling you guys, that ain't no halibut fight.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Wow. For the camera.
All right.
Woo!
Pink one.
It's a nice one.
Healthy.
Job, Joey.
Baby Joe.
Lead him in there, Joe.
Good job, Joe.
Be Joe. Look at that thing.
I think in unison we should say,
Sorry
fuck
about
Schaefer.
No. Very high up, baby. Yeah.
He hit it right away, or he hit it a couple times?
Right away. that also a king yogurt? Hey, Joseph!
That's what I'm.
We know when he loses it.
Oh, whoa!
Joey!
Well, let me get the better of you, Joe.
There's only so much battery in that video camera.
Boy, this be.
She's having a way with me.
Looks like Oprah did at the Marine Bar.
Just like Jerry did last time.
Oh, jeez, that's a nice one.
It's all yours, Joey.
Good job, Joey.
Is he in the net?
For those viewing who.
Nice fish.
Woo!
Right.
Nice and Joe.
Is it a king now? Yep. Right. That's cheats, boy. Hey, buddy! Look at Joey! Good job. Alright, man. Yeah.
Good job. Next time, score it a little bit quicker. This thing is not waterproof. Looking for a black bear.
What?
Looking for a black bear.
I are.
Who got that bigger one?
That was this guy right here.
Your name is?
Come on, Joe.
Joe Conroy.
Alright, David. We have you weigh this one.
That's our catch for today. Joe scoring 4 of those himself.
Is there a way we get the total weight of the king salmon? 33.5.
Well, we don't have any kind of a table scale or anything.
33.5 is what that thing weighed. That one might be bigger.
What's this? This one's 33.7.
33.
That's mine too.
Both of them? Geez, you had a good day, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Can I add them all up?
Best day ever.